In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lower Facebook ads CPM, which stands for cost per mil, meaning the cost per 1,000 impressions. In a digital marketing landscape where every penny counts, optimizing your ad spend is crucial. Let's dive into the practical steps you can take to make your Facebook ad campaigns more cost effective. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Facebook Business Manager. This is your command center for managing ads, so it's essential you start here. If you're not already signed in, the next step is to click on Login with Facebook. This should be straightforward, just use your usual Facebook credentials. If you manage multiple accounts, make sure you choose the one relevant for the ads you intend to optimize. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Look for the Ads option located at the lower left panel. This button directs you to the heart of where the action happens. Clicking on Ads Manager will take you a step further into the ad management space. From here, it's critical to know what you're looking to optimize. Clicking on Campaigns will show you an overview of all your advertisement campaigns. This view is essential for understanding the broader picture of your advertisement efforts. As we drill down, the next step involves clicking on Ad Sets within the campaign you wish to optimize. Ad sets are where the magic happens in terms of targeting, scheduling, and setting budgets. It's here that we can start making some impactful changes. By clicking on Edit next to the ad set you've chosen, you're now in the position to tweak various settings. One of the most powerful sections here is Audience. Facebook's robust targeting capabilities are both a strength and a potential budget drain. The key is to use it wisely. Now look for the Advantage Detailed Targeting option. This is where you can really start to fine-tune who sees your ads based on interests, demographics, behaviors, and more. However, the trick to reducing your CPM isn't just about narrowing down your audience. In fact, it can sometimes be the opposite. This brings us to a somewhat counterintuitive tip. Broaden your audience keywords. By expanding your audience, you're essentially increasing the pool of potential viewers for your ads. A broader audience can lead to more competition for your ads, which might seem like a bad thing, but it actually helps in distributing your ad view cost over a larger number of impressions, often resulting in a lower CPM. Expanding your audience keywords should be done thoughtfully. Start by reviewing the keywords you're currently using. Are they very niche or specific? Consider adding related broader terms that still align with your target market, but aren't as tightly focused. This doesn't mean you should target everyone, but rather judiciously broaden your horizons. It's essential to monitor the performance of your ad sets closely after making these changes. Sometimes a broader audience requires a few iterations to get right, balancing reach and relevance to ensure your messages still resonate without becoming so broad that they lose their effectiveness. Also, don't forget the power of A/B testing in this process. By creating different versions of your ad sets with slight variations in audience keywords, you can empirically determine what works best for your specific goals, whether that's maximizing reach, engagement, or conversions, all while keeping an eye on keeping your CPM low. In conclusion, lowering your Facebook ads CPM isn't just about slashing budgets or limiting your audience's size. It often requires a strategic adjustment and a keen understanding of how Facebook's ad delivery system works. By broadening your audience in a calculated manner and constantly refining your approach based on performance data, you can achieve a more favorable CPM. Remember, the goal is to maximize the efficiency of every ad dollar spent, ensuring that your messages reach as many relevant eyes as possible without breaking the bank. And that's a wrap on how to lower your Facebook ads CPM. Implement these steps and you'll be on your way to more cost-effective ad campaigns. Keep testing, keep optimizing, and most importantly, keep learning. The digital advertisement landscape is always evolving, and staying ahead of the curve is key to success.